In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up off-site ads on Etsy. Even though the program is largely automatic, I'll show you exactly where to find the settings and how to manage your participation so you stay in control. Start by opening a fresh browser window and search for Etsy. This helps you land on the official site quickly, and it's a good habit if you aren't using a bookmark. When the results appear, click the first official Etsy link. Before you proceed, glance at the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site and that the connection is secure. Now, log into your account. Use the same credentials you use to manage your shop. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step as well. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate to the controls for off-site ads. A quick note before we move on. You don't actually set up off-site ads from scratch. Etsy runs these ads on external platforms for eligible shops automatically. What you can do is manage your participation from your settings, and that's exactly what we're about to do. First, click your account icon, then choose Account Settings. This brings you into the area where your broader shop preferences live. From here, navigate to your Shop Manager, which is the dashboard where you handle orders, listings, marketing, and more. If you're on desktop, it's typically in the main navigation after you open your account menu. On mobile, you may need to open the menu to find it. Inside Shop Manager, click on Settings. This is where Etsy groups important controls for payments, billing, and advertising. In the Settings menu, look for Offsite Ads and select it. You'll arrive on the page that explains how offsite ads work for your shop. Here, you can see if your shop is currently eligible and how your participation is set. Etsy bases participation options on your annual sales. If your shop is below Etsy's sales threshold, you can choose to keep participating or opt out. If your shop has reached Etsy's threshold, participation may be required, and you'll see that indicated clearly on this page. Take a moment to review any notes about fees and how they're charged. Typically only when an order results from one of these ads. If you're able to opt out and want to, use the toggle or option provided and confirm your choice. If you decide to stay in, you don't need to do anything else. Your participation will continue automatically. That's it. You've reached the offsite ads controls, reviewed your eligibility, and made the best choice for your shop based on your goals and annual sales.